How you doing, Representative Gonzalez? Senator Walter Timilty, Representative Carlos Gonzalez, members of the committee and House, thank you for the opportunity to weigh in on a problem that directly affects me and my peers after many years of preemptive silencing or an a priori decision that a certain group has nothing to say worth hearing. I'm Alex Delgado, arrested at 21 years old, incarcerated for 32 years, a senior at Boston College. I co-lead American veterans in service in prison, and I'm employed in the Health Services Unit, HSU, as a medical companion and a biohazard technician. So I gain direct observational access to patients who are awaiting medical parole decisions. I'm in support of Senate Bill 1535, an act to ensure appropriate access to medical parole. 3 minutes doesn't give me time to successfully explain relative theory maps or data analyses on the subject, but I can bear witness to the reality that the current medical parole bill is incomplete. In the past year, I have cared for at least 2 patients whom obtained their medical parole and died in prison waiting for release. I can bear witness to holding similar patients upright on their toilets while they defecate because their core muscles are so depleted they cannot sit upright, and said same are often considered not qualified for the current standards of medical parole. I can relay to you that there are patients who ask me the same question 15 times a day, unaware of the prior 14 answers I gave them. They are also unaware that they are waiting medical parole release well over a year. In a well-established American inappropriate grammar, something just ain't right. I'm not sure if the words compassionate release should be correlated to the idea of medical parole. Who deserves it? Who doesn't deserve it? I do know that most of the patients in my HSU are not a physical threat to society. I do know that they are inhumanely warehoused, and I do know that they are a financial burden to the state. And for these reasons, I request that the aforementioned bill be adopted. I also hope an act establishing parole review for aging incarcerated people, Senate 1547 and House 2397, be enacted, because that would directly affect me. Thank you for your time.